In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your time zone in Coursera so you can manage deadlines and course activities more effectively. First, log into your Coursera account. Once you're in, click on your profile icon in the top navigation bar and select Settings or Account Settings from the drop-down menu. This is where you can personalize your account preferences. Next, look for the time zone section. Click the drop-down menu, which lists cities instead of generic labels like AST or PST, making it easy to select your exact location. You can scroll through the list or type your city's name in the search bar for a quicker selection. After choosing your city, make sure to click the Save button at the bottom to apply your changes. Your Coursera account will now reflect the correct time zone, helping you stay on track with all your courses. And that's it. Updating your time zone is quick, simple, and ensures a smoother learning experience. Happy learning!